Hello, my name is Fatma Nasir, and my team members are Hania Siddiqui and Mehdi Reza. So, our game is called Bing Bong's Run, and a, it is supposed to be both educational and fun. So, the game is supposed to have two levels. The first level is about sorting odd numbers and even numbers. That is, if you collect an even number, you get bonus points or plus points, or if you collect a negative number, you get minus points. So a user or a player is supposed to be able to differentiate between these two. Uh, so hence this game is targeted towards young audience, or you can say audience of a preschool or primary school, so they can have a game that is both educational and is supposed to have entertainment value. So this is our main class where the game is run. This initializes the game and loads its media and calls the run function and the game close function, and that's it. And it is basically just a skeleton code. So this is our game.hpp. All right now, as the game is in its initial phases, most of this uh, is skeleton code. So over here we have all a list of all the libraries we're calling and the other classes that we're using that we're going to make. And then there's definition of the screen of the game and the textures that we're going to be using and the lists that we're going to be using and then the functions that we're going to be running in this class. This is our game.cpp. So this includes game.hpp. It has these for inputting the keys from keyboard, and this class is to initialize the game. This class, this function, sorry, not class, is for loading media and contains all the textures that we are going to be using in this game, such as the background and then the player and different obstacles and objects. This is the close function of the game that's going to destroy all the textures and the window as soon as the game is finished. This is a load texture function that is going to create the surface and get the image for the game. This is the run function of the game. So while the game is not quit or not closed, it's going to run. This is supposed to be taking input from the keys. And then later we're going to use it to change the position of the player. This is all just in the initial phrases. This is the objects class. This will include assets src mover and draw and get mover. Objects class is the main class that will then have subclasses of different obstacles that we're going to be or objects that we're going to have, such as animals and bars and cars and odd numbers and even numbers, and for the second level it will be alphabets and rocks. So that's about it for now. The game is in its initial stages and we'll work on it later. Thank you for watching.